Set up direct debit and purchase postage. On the MyFP homepage, you will hover over Account Management and select Purchase Postage from the navigation at the top of the page. You can also select it from the tiles below in the first section under Manage Your Account. On the Purchase Postage landing page, you will notice you have 3 online payment options to choose from. 1. Direct debit, 2. e-check, and 3. Credit card. Under each option, you may view the postage purchase limits and associated fees for each payment method. To learn more about each option, you can click on More Info. In this example, I will be setting up the direct debit account. In the direct debit box, locate and select Set It Up. There are 2 direct debit types, Debit on Demand and Reset Debit. Debit on Demand, purchasing postage by Debit on Demand, transfers funds from your checking account to your USPS postage account. You can also set up a password for extra security. Reset Debit. Whenever you need postage, select the Download Postage button on your postage meter to have funds withdrawn directly and available for printing postage. I will be choosing Debit on Demand and will also choose to pull through my checking account. The next step is entering the routing number, account number, and bank name. If you need extra guidance, you can select the blue information icon on the right-hand side. Choosing Debit on Demand means we have the option to protect the account with a password. If you choose, you have to select the box and enter your password. In this example, I will not be setting up a password. Please note, if you choose to set up a password for your account, you will need to enter the password in order to make changes to your bank account information and when purchasing postage. If you forget this password or want to change it, you will need to re-enter your routing number and account number before creating a new password. Select Next. Review your account summary. Check mark the box for terms and conditions. Select Send Request. You will be provided a confirmation page prompting you to fill out an authorization form. This form will be sent to your email and you can select the link on the confirmation page to download it instantly. Fill out the authorization form and email or fax it to the contact information provided. Please be aware the approval process can take up to 24 to 48 hours to complete. Once you have sent it back, you can always go to your account management, purchase postage page, and see the status of your account. Currently, I'm on hold, indicating my direct debit authorization form has not been processed. Purchase postage. On the purchase postage screen, locate the available postage tile. This will show the customer ID and the amount currently in the account, not the amount on your postage meter. Click the Add Postage button to purchase postage. This will show your current account balance and options for payment amounts. Selecting Round Up will add the postage amount needed to bring your current balance to the nearest increment of $10. Please note, if you choose other amount, it must be in increments of $10. In this example, I'll be choosing $100. Select Next, select Direct Debit, select the account, select Next. You'll be able to see a payment summary before selecting Pay Now. A confirmation page with a transaction ID will appear if the payment was successful. Select Go to Main Page. Under Available Postage, you will see the amount displayed updated with the postage you recently purchased. You can also view the postage purchase transaction information in the Purchase Postage History table at the bottom of the page. This table displays the 5 most recent online postage purchase transactions. If at any time you need additional guidance, you can always go to the Help Center and search our FAQs. Now that we have purchased our $100, you can go to your machine and select Menu, Download Postage, and download your $100.